Yo, what's up? Right now, we're waiting for Juan, the guy in that Mustang that can't ever burn it out. I'm just messing with you, Juan. And it's supposed to be me, my brother Chuy, Valdo, Romero, Max, Daniel, and Juan. We're supposed to go to Slim Chicken and get some food. It's gonna be like a little mini meet kind of thing. We told just a few people about it just to have like a little get together kind of thing. We don't really want for it to be like too big because then it gets out of hand and then the wrong crowd shows up and starts burning out and doing all this stuff. So we're trying to keep it kind of low right now, and if it's a good turnout, maybe do it more often, maybe like every 2 weeks or like once a month, maybe kind of thing. I don't know yet, but we're just waiting for this guy to show up and roll out. Hey, what? You finally made it. Hey, TBN. Wild TBN on the loose. That's what we're doing? Hey. Hello, Conito. Everybody meet Fred. Fred, what's up? Meet everybody. Juan, everybody knows you. Yeah. Mustang. Yeah. Hello. What's up, baby?
No digo, ¿qué onda? No sabía que you could put that type of body on the 1214 too.
Ahí está.
¿Quieres este güey?
¿Quieres cambiar el freno de su troca también, vato?
It went from a 15 to a it's 17 or 18, or 18 or 19. I don't know.
16 to 18, I think.
Yeah. But this is a high country way.
Tell the people what you want to do, Romeo.
Okay. Oh, nah, not right now. I don't want to say
You don't want to say it?
until I do it.
Well, I seen it when they put it on these trucks. También.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they put it on those trucks too.
It
I've
looks
seen a
pretty
black
nice.
truck that has that.
But it's negra también. I want to do it like that. I like it because I like the headlights.
But I like
the
that front
line
end,
on
right?
I like this one right here.
Yeah,
The thing I don't like about that body style, el que dash, siempre se quebra.
Oh,
Yeah.
It always cracks on those.
Get the dash.
But the front end, that one looks badass, bro. Especially when you have a V8 in it. Ah, get the
Yeah, that's tough.
It's coming, it's coming.
Sold them out. Punch. Got the mustache.
Porn stash.
Hey, ponte allá, güey. Poncho. Juan.
What's up, man?
Big Max.
What's up, bro?
Fred. That's Poncho right there.
What up, dude? You alright? Shoot, man.
What's up, man?
Poncho's gonna move there. That car don't belong in there. Hey, we got Miguelito showing up. So that's it for the meet for today. It was just something kind of small, little get together. We came to eat, and we're thinking about making it again. We're not sure exactly the day or the time again, or if this the same location or not. But we just wanted to keep it kind of small, kind of chill, no burnout. We just want to have a good time and hang out. If we do happen to make something again, we probably post it like on Instagram. So keep an eye out for that. And thanks for watching, guys.